In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a table in Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect so you can clean up your pages with confidence. Here's the context. In Notion, a table is a database block that lives on your page. When you delete it, you're removing that entire block from the page. If it's an inline database you created right there, deleting it removes the database and its data from that page. If it's a linked database that simply points to another database, deleting it removes only the link on this page. The original database stays safe. Keep that in mind as you follow along. Start by moving your mouse over the table on your Notion page. As you hover near the left edge of the table block, a small grid icon with 6 dots will appear. This is the block handle. It's easy to miss if your cursor isn't close to the left side, so take a moment to find it. When you see that grid icon, click it. Clicking the handle opens the block menu for the table, which gives you options to manage or remove the block. In the menu that appears, look for delete and click it. Notion may ask you to confirm, especially for databases, just to make sure you don't remove important content by accident. Confirm the deletion and the table will be removed from the page immediately. That's all it takes. A few helpful tips as you do this. If you delete the wrong table, you can quickly undo right away using Command+Z on Mac or Control+Z on Windows. Notion also keeps a trash area, so if you removed a whole database and need it back later, you can check your workspace trash and restore it from there. If you're unsure whether a table is a linked database or an original, look for signs like a small linked indicator in the View menu or Recall, whether you created it as a link from another page. This helps you understand the impact before you delete. If you're working on mobile, the same action is usually found by tapping then opening the block menu to find delete, though the interface may look slightly different. On desktop and web, hovering and using the 6-dot grid handle is the quickest path. That's the complete process. Hover to reveal the grid icon, click it to open the block menu, and choose delete to remove the table. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in Notion.